How you doing, folks? So I'm replacing the old fuel sending unit on my Clearwater boat. It's just too jumpy around. This thing has a lot of wear, so you just jump and jump and jump. So I ended up getting a new one, and the wires are easy to do. These had the quick disconnects. It's the same unit. If you can see over here, it's got the 5.5 inches. That's the traveling distance from when this goes up and down. That's the 5.5 right there. That's what really counts. And this is the part number for the pattern on the holes. I'll show you the wires really quick. On my boat it was easy. I had a little accents hash. Just remove it, and there it is right there. I haven't finished twerking it down yet. That's the wires right there. So you can see blue with black and red with red. This looks pinkish because it's no wire, but it used to be red. So red with red, blue with black. That's the difference. And that will be the new unit right there. So you guys can see the 5.5 right there. That tells you the length of the shaft, and then the other part number will be the pattern on the hull. New sending unit. It's the old right there. It's the new one right there. Easy enough to do the job. Just make sure you get the wires correct before you seal everything up. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.